work on this level. Good morning, chat. It's currently 11:04 a.m. Jigsaw lied to me, so yeah. But alright, son. I woke up like 2 hours ago. Alright, and I tried to get myself to get on my computer, but I just couldn't get myself to do it. I don't know why. Bro. I was just so demotivated, man. But it's what I gotta do, so I'm gonna do it. I googled it, that's what it told me. Bro, you should have known that it was daylight savings time, bro. Come on now. I'm thinking about trying to pursue a computer science major. That'd be pretty cool. Still have quite a bit of time left before college. I can still make that decision. I got this. No, I'm gonna do some attempts on USC, ASC, UIS, bro. Come on. Let's go. This is our daily activities for today. We're playing USC, CUIS. The ending is gonna be so difficult. USCIS, USCIS. Okay. Bro, I couldn't see the spike, man. This is the problem with sight reading shit. Alright, well, 48 first attempts. Not too bad at all, man. Not too bad at all. Let's go. I feel so tired. I don't know why. I'm just not used to waking up all day. If I'm tired now, I'm gonna suffer when school starts. Anyway, I'm pretty much gonna be streaming for the entire day. Because I gotta finish this part today. Because if I don't, I'm gonna be really behind. I'm gonna have to rush the last few parts, which is not gonna be good. That's what happens, I guess. So I wake up at 10:40 a.m. every non-school day and 6:40 a.m. every school day. I retire at 11 a.m. I woke up at 9. I didn't wake up right as I was about to stream. Hi GG2, hi. Yeah, I woke up at like 9, but I procrastinated because I didn't feel like it. I didn't feel like streaming, that is. Or building the level in general. Building something every day is so tiring, especially when you have a deadline to cater to, you know? I guess that's what happens when you make a project, like, ultra ambitious when it's supposed to be a speed build with a fucking deadline. Seriously, I do this to myself all the time. Like, it's Seth tradition to make it harder for myself than it would have been if I just took the normal route, you know? I make it harder for myself on purpose because it's cool. Yeah, I knew it. Can't wait for EFDOFDEOF. You know what's bad when there's not a single start pause word. Yeah, go crescendo, bro. Guys, my beatboxing is so good. Okay. What? Boring. Whatever. We'll play How to Pretend it's instead. Much better. Oh right, I can't play the actual thing here. I gotta play the remake. If YouTube flags that, I'm gonna kill them. How to make good swing gameplay. Use lots of saws, because the swing goes in arc motions a lot of the time. Meaning that you're going to need to use a lot of circular objects in order to make the swing feel good, you know? Play the little bad number too. Yeah, I know that. I know that level was made by a 13-year-old or some shit. It's really derivative, to be honest. Like, it's good, especially for being 13 years old. But, like, it's basically watching a tutorial. I'll be so for real. All you need is knowledge of the GD editor. You don't need any ideas because they're all from the MV, bro. But whatever. Hi, Gavin. Yeah, I remember you. Hi. Ow. Holy voice change. Yeah, I know. I mean, it's the morning right now, so I'm like extra deep voice, but otherwise, like, yeah, I was puberted. That's what people say about me, bro. Anyway, yeah, I make cool levels. Brother. Being able to play the MV, yeah, I guess. But, like, there's no ideas process, because you can just look at the MV and then just kind of make your own half-assed version of it and it'll get epic. Like, because the ideas are already, like, really cool. Just skips the whole ideas process, and I just feel like it's a little bit disingenuous, I guess. But I mean, it's basically following a tutorial, except there's no steps to get there, but all the ideas are there, and you can, like, dissect them pretty easily because they're so simple. Like, motion graphics is just, like, a bunch of circles moving around, you know? All you gotta do is learn the editor, and boom, you have an epic-worthy level, I guess. But, anyway, maybe that's just me being salty, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just a hater. Yeah, of course it has block designs and gameplay, because if you don't have that, you don't have a level. But, like, from what I saw, pretty much every background, besides, like, one or two, comes from the MV. The guy sounds 8. I do not sound 8! What are you fucking talking about? Hi, Citrus. Hey. I'm playing this shit for no reason. This level's pretty cool. I don't know how it's Horror Demon, but it's pretty cool. It's just so cinematic. Yeah, I'm like 74 years old. But I don't like disclosing my age anymore. And anyone who knows it, please don't leak it. I would love it if you don't leak my age if you know it, and if you don't know it, I'm not gonna tell you. I should probably stop playing levels and make the discarded mirror, but no. I think I knew it, but I forgot because I knew you weren't like 6. What? I mean, I wasn't like 6. Okay, bro. Oh, so you didn't care. Oh, okay, I see. I wonder what language that is. Arabic? Bro. Okay. I don't want to build at all, but we're gonna have to. You have to jump so early for that coin, it's so annoying. It is Murdered on Steam, Black, thank you for asking. Today we're gonna build this spire and just copy paste some not gameplay. I think the main new thing that we need to build is the spire and a bunch of different buildings as well. But that's it. I don't need to build anything else besides that. And like the transition. I'm gonna build a spire and the transition and polish up a few things. Polish a few things up. From border design, I can just make more layout. That's true. That's very true. I probably should have had the layout done by now, but you know, I'm never that responsible, right? I always gotta be rushing to get my levels done, bro. It's so funny. See, you gotta jump so early for that coin. It's so annoying. Whatever, bruh. What difficulty is the level? The level is 6 stars. So, you'll probably be able to play it. Also, is the red orb red or orange, like in reality? We all call it the red orb. Okay, yeah, it's definitely red. I mean, come on, just look at it. Yeah, it's definitely red. I'm not bored, I'm just, like, tired, you know? Agility August is sucking the life out of me, dude. The big orb. Honestly, goated. I love that you call it that. I'm very surprised I didn't die there. Procrastinate 3 levels in 1 month. This is very true. In Agile August, yeah. I also have like another speed build level planned, but that won't happen until after medical help because medical help still isn't out for some ungodly reason. What do you think the level that needs to be mythic? Well, I'm never up to up, so, you know. I just think it has to be perfect in every way, you know? Like, gameplay, decoration, and creativity all have to be top-notch in order for me to consider it mythic. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Genteel newbie, very cool. Back and forth. That's a 7 moon. Rated level 19,000. Ooh. No. Hey, no comments have likes. Hi, ADH. Hi. Wow, thank you. I didn't know I had to dislike the level. I definitely could have gotten that coin, but alright. I asked you place. Break it down. Break it down. What? That's a spike. I'm gonna kill you. Alright, thank you guys for- no, I'm kidding. I don't wanna build today, man. I'm gonna go ban from my Discord trying to make drama out of it. Gang! Oh, we dead ass. Alright. I mean, do what you gotta do to cope. I mean, come on. What, am I on no clip? What the fuck? How was I surviving that? I felt like such a badass playing that. They stole my level and my friend Dino's level. Damn. I know Dino. They make a bunch of music and stuff too. They're cool. Alright, CHG 2. You don't get to witness any action building this stream. I'm just gonna be playing levels. Oh, I'm such a badass, dude. Dude, it's complete. Dude, that's very fun, actually. If you don't want to work on Discard and Mirror, you can always work on one of the other 2 levels. You don't have to finish this one first. You have to finish all of them by September. That's true. Ooh, shit. Why did that translate to I'm sorry? Spider Gauntlet Extreme Demon. Have you seen the It's Me, It's Verity level? It's so bad. Oh, I have not, and I don't plan on seeing it. Your 2-player extreme is broken. How so? Every time I exit out of it, it bugs my game, so I can't open any levels. That ain't my fault, bro. I guarantee you that's not my fault. What is this fever dream of a level? No idea what this level is. So confused about what just occurred on my screen. Dude, oh yeah, I see this. There are multiple Hirath. Dude, I am gonna kill somebody, man. I have no idea anymore, bruh. I think this should change to a Brad Killer. Because it's in the background more. Takes me 10 years to select one object. Come on. Why is it mix? What am I selecting? I don't get it. Bruh. What if I just... add that extra layer of depth, you know? What is the theme of the level you're making right now? Have you ever heard of murder drones, brother? I don't know what happened there, but I jumped into the portal. It's quite stupid. Yeah, I'm gonna enable no touch on these. Yeah, I gotta make the spire, finish the block designs, which shouldn't take too long. Copy paste some grass and snow piles. Make some pulses. All simple stuff besides the spire. So, let's get to work on the spire. But I really don't want to, but I'm gonna have to. Fuck it, I'm putting in a reference. This thing, yay, yippee. Alright, we'll start simple. Hold on. Let me just... I didn't know that did that, okay. Let's start simple. Let's go like that. Basically like this. This one's kinda like that a little bit. Yeah, sorta. It's kinda like that. That's the thing that we're trying to create right now. We're probably gonna have a much wider base. That's a little sketch of what I'm trying to make here. Put this on 3 because we're probably gonna need it. Might as well make it to scale. So let's just put this on like 16. I'll just make it the width of the hole now. How large is it? Let's go 19. Works for me. Now. Oh boy. Can't wait to make this jolly old part. Uh Okay, we can scale it down if we need to. Now here's what we're gonna do, okay? We have this. We have this. We're going to simply... Wish there was a thing where you could space them equally. But, oh well, you can't have everything, I guess. Anyway, that's 17 objects. You could probably make things leak out of the bottom, because, you know, we don't need it. Look, I'm trying my best here, okay? Okay. What is this shit?
I have a
Dude. Alright. The most random assortment of sounds you've ever heard just popped up. I was locked in. Explanation? No. No, you're not getting an explanation. Bro, I was like Bob Ross, just being quiet, and then I just hit you with the. Then I just hit you with the.
It's beginning to look a lot like.
Dude, it's just so funny. Explanation? Question mark, question mark, question mark. I thought that was you singing.
It's big.
It's beginning to. I guess it does kind of sound like me.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Dude. I'm not even gonna give you context, bro. I'm just gonna leave it be. It's just funny as shit on its own. Like. Needless to say, the next project after this gonna be much simpler. Cause bro, I'm done with this perfectionistic ass. Coolio.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go.
Ah, yes. What if I just play that just like in intermittent times throughout the stream? What if I just play that for no reason? Dude, that it's so stupid. Reference image. A lot less rough of a curve for sure. Let me play this song with something going to add since I have the stream open in the background. Yeah. Mission accomplished, ladies and gentlemen. No, I'm just kidding. But, guys, we're monetized. We're getting ads in the stream now. Anyways. I'm just gonna do this. Take a look at the papa bear. Why'd you be getting a Christmas ad in early? Yeah, exactly. Somehow reminds me I built an end screen today. Nice. That's a great reminder. Okay, bro. Alright, start decorating this shit. And by that, I mean fill it with giant squares. Womp. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Bro tip number 80. Coolio, we've got the... Oh, this looks so shit. We can always, like, squish it if we needed to. Yeah, let's do that. Hold on. Let me just, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's bad. Right there. Except it won't be right there. It'll be someplace else. W. Bro, we're making some absolute bullshit at this point. We'll be fine, though. It'll be fine. Here, let me just make a bunch of bumpy shit. Like, yeah, like, just, like, yeah. Like, yeah. And yeah.
Hey,
Please stop. Please stop playing ads. MD Special Meat J.
Into these gorgeous.
Those deliverables are gorgeous. Should've just alliumed it? Yeah, but I don't know how to use allium, so. I don't care. Trademark. Please stop. I'm sorry, Jigsaw, but I'm really not, so. Gorgeous. Okay. They look like They look stupid, but it's okay. It'll be fine. I'm definitely not an allium glazer that's carried every single block design in my entire level. Yeah. I mean, fair enough, to be honest. That's fair. Oh. Well, it might actually be easier this way. Oh yeah, totally. Hold on. I should learn how to use multiple tools. I should learn how to use multiple tools in the Geometry Dash editor so I can build better. But I don't, so I can't. But after August, I'm definitely taking a break, and I'm just building what I want, you know? And that'll be Vividification, so look out for that. But anyways. Alright, yeah, with the bumps on the sides, it definitely looks like more of a spire. What kind of witchcraft is that? Custom, yeah. Custom, baby. You like Spinny the screen. Oh, it's Tinker. It's Tinker. This mod. It's very cool. Don't use allium, I never have. Bro. It's pretty cool. We're like twinning or something. I'm never saying that again. But yeah, we're making stuff. I don't really know what. I don't really know what this is at all, but we're figuring it out as we go, okay? But yeah, this is our spiral. Or our spire, sorry, not spiral. This is a spire. Spire. Tinker messes with allium for some reason, so I deleted it. Never noticed that feature. Gotcha. Ah, yes. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We love to see it. Now it looks like a slimy piece of shit. Can you play an unlisted copy? Sure. Yeah, I can do that. Honestly, it ain't look too bad. I mean, we gotta change stuff like this. So that doesn't look too, you know, slapped on there. But, you know, looking nice. We should... Okay, new layer. We're adding these. It's gonna be great. Red. Yeah! Probably gonna add a bunch of these. There's gonna be a bunch of those. I assume you still have it in your save tab. I forgot what it's called. Something crescendo. stupid crescendo. Steady crescendo. I don't have it. Alright, just send me the ID. Shoot me the ID in DMs, I guess. That's the one. I forgot how to play Geometry Dash. Hi Hassan, welcome to the stream. This is not my level. Alright, I see the ID. Oh. Alright. Steady crescendo, what? Yes. Okay, I'm still there. Alright, so I took a screenshot. This ain't too bad. Ow. Yeah, maybe, turn off hitboxes. There. Is it just me, or do I think... I kind of think that the coin route should be the regular route. Well, I don't know. It's just that coin is just interesting altogether. Yeah, it was a nice try. Thank you. Up, down, up, down. Up and down, up and down, up and down. It would be cool if the colors were better, but alas. Oh yes, the shadow effect. We love to see it. I guarantee you there's a way to skip that gameplay. Yep. I feel like I've seen this before. Yeah, you probably have. This part ain't bad. This part's actually pretty original. This part actually plays pretty well, because you can kind of tell what speed changes are going to occur. Yay! Ah! I actually, bro, why are you disliking this? I feel so, like, slow today, for lack of a better term. How is monochrome your first rate, bro? This level's fire. Is it just... Yeah, I mean, like... I feel like a lot of people who create for creator points want a reward as if it's like a job that they should get paid for. But GD's entire thing is like passion. Sure, there's a reward system, but what really keeps you going in the long term is like pure passion from the game, because as you get more creator points, you start to care about them less and less. Because, you know, you have so many of them. Or if you've just been building for as long as I have, like, I don't know. Dude, I want to build a level one day where it's not even like connected to a story, or I don't have to do any world building. It can just be pure modern effects. Like, I try to do it, and then I end up having a vision for the same level that involves like world building and shit. And so I end up making things harder for myself to execute my vision that probably won't be executed to the fullest in the first place. Which sucks. It's a very cool level though. I'm really liking this. ST reloading my first creator points on future products. I'll be better editor and they'll be better overall. I mean, for me, yeah, creator points was the thing for vividification, but as I started creating more, I realized that I do this for myself. I create for myself, not for a reward at the end of all of it. Like, even if I do want vividification to get rated, but even if it doesn't, that doesn't mean I'll just stop creating completely. What it does mean, is that I'll try harder next time, I guess. Or I'll just continue executing ideas that I have. Like, for example, I have ideas for an auto-scroller platformer, which might be coming out maybe next year. Because right now, I don't really have much motivation for it right now, because other projects. Sigh. Alright. My good levels basically go unnoticed, so if I get a rated level, I can get more recognized. Yeah. That's what I was trying to do with vividification, you know? I was trying to, quote, prove my worth, you know? I made this comment 3 years ago, and it's still my most liked comment to this day, bro. Oh yeah, this level's funny. Creators never be taking me seriously because no creator points. Yeah, when you have creator points, it's all like, oh my goodness, your level got recognized by the owner of the game because you got lucky and you were decent at the editor. It's just so stupid. What is that second most liked comment? Yeah, the song is called Plunder. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. Wait, Dino? Oh, you know Dino. Hi. 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 Honestly? Oh, you're trying to make levels with your own songs? That's pretty cool. This is very clean. Motion blur can do a lot. Motion blur pulses. W samples. I'm good at neither. Hey, I mean, one day, man. One day. I want to get good at music and the editor. Eventually, I want to learn how to code as well. But, you know. Interesting. Guys, I'm actually kinda considering, should I collab with Dino? Should I collab with Dino? That'd be pretty funny. That'd be pretty cool. This guy looks pretty cool. He's the same amount of creator points as me. Congrats to DeKitty for winning my CC. Bro, that makes sense. That makes sense, bro. Yay. That makes... Ooh. Hello. Nearly 300 creator points. You should collab with me, yeah. That, I made it way harder than it needed to be. Again, I made it way harder for myself than it needed to be, damn. The vent idea is cool. Ooh, wait, no, I have an idea now. Alright. I'll message Dino at some point. I'll follow this creator. I'll follow Dino. But I'll message Dino post medical help probably. Have you heard of my music? No. Maybe you should send me some, that'd be pretty cool. Bro, I feel like I'm living a fever dream right now. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm tweaking out real hard. These gorgeous vertical deliverables. Yeah, we're just gonna have a bunch of these. Maybe we can have them on like 0.5 opacity. Do they need to be on B2? Hold on. If I make this B3, I know it goes behind it, but do I have to make these B2 to go above it? Yeah, I do. Okay, that's gonna be an interesting experience to happen. I might like stream later, bro. It's because bro, I am tweaking out right now. Might use an area effect for this. I think I'm gonna stop streaming after I build the spire and stream later because bro, I am tweaking out right now. Put him on B1 for now. That might be a problem if I put it on B3. -7. It's going to do that. Yep. I called it. I'm gonna have lots of fun redoing this. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's just slightly annoying. That's all. I can remake it with one of these. Just gonna make sure they don't audio scale. Do these go on the same? Yeah, they do. Cool. B2. Black. Sometimes I wish I didn't live in the UK. Yeah. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter, honestly. I'll be able to... Whatever. My pizza delivery guys to go and broke traffic loss, so my pizza arrived 20 minutes early. Yep. Awesome. Okay. But yeah, I feel like I'm pushing myself way too hard right now. There's an audio scale and not audio scale version of it, right? You don't actually have to use the object. I didn't use the object. Right? I mean, there's the large circle and then circle. One of them scales and one of them doesn't. Right? Honestly, bro, I don't care at this point. Ugh, I hate this song now. Okay, yeah, I'm cutting the stream. I'm cutting the stream off. Dude, I feel so, like, not locked in at all. So, I'm gonna have to go just for, like, a couple hours, come back. But yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. But Thanks for watching. I mean, I just have to chill for a little while and I'll be back. But thanks for watching. Have a good day, I guess.